If you're trying to turn off the Chrome pop-up blocker on Windows 10, this video will show you the fastest way to do it step by step. Maybe a website is not loading properly, a login window is being blocked, or you need pop-ups for a tool, form, or payment page. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact settings so you can allow pop-ups in Google Chrome with confidence. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the list, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where all browser controls and permissions are managed. Now on the left-hand side, find and click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps the options related to browsing data, security, and website permissions. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is the section that controls what websites are allowed to access, including things like location, camera, notifications, and yes, pop-ups. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects. Click on that option to open the pop-up controls. This is the area that manages Chrome's built-in pop-up blocker. By default, Chrome usually blocks pop-ups to help protect you from unwanted windows, but sometimes that can stop useful website features from working properly. Now, you'll see the main setting for pop-ups and redirects. To disable the blocker, select sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. As soon as you choose that option, Chrome will allow pop-ups and redirects on websites. That means pages that need an extra window, a login prompt, a booking form, or a payment dialog should now work correctly. If you only want to allow pop-ups on certain trusted websites instead of turning the blocker off completely, you can also add exceptions in the Allow section. That can be a safer option if you want more control over which sites are permitted, but if your goal is simply to disable the pop-up blocker entirely, choosing sites can send pop-ups and use redirects is the exact setting you need. Once that's done, you can close the Settings tab and return to the website you were using. If the page wasn't already open, you may want to refresh it so the new setting takes effect right away. And that's it. You've now disabled the Chrome pop-up blocker on Windows 10. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can get those pop-ups working again whenever you need them. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.